Car-sized asteroid made the closest flyby of Earth on record, and NASA was not aware of its arrival. A car-sized asteroid made the closest known approach to Earth without actually colliding with our planet Earth. And researchers were not aware of it until hours after it had already passed. Asteroid 2020 QG, formerly known as ZTF-ODXQ, zoomed past our Earth on Sunday at 12:08 a.m. It got as close as 1,830 miles away. This marks the closest asteroid flyby ever recorded in which the object actually survived. For comparison, the International Space Station is 254 miles away. Near-Earth asteroids pass by Earth all the time, but 2020 QG passed closer to Earth than any other known near-Earth objects, without actually causing an impact. 2020 QG was first observed at the Palomar Observatory, almost 6 hours after it passed over the southern Indian Ocean. It is quite an accomplishment to find these tiny close-in asteroids in the first place, because they pass by very quickly. There's typically only a short window of a couple of days before or after close approach when this small of an asteroid is close enough to Earth to be bright enough, but not so close that it moves too fast in the sky to be detected by a telescope. This asteroid traveled at 27,600 miles per hour, or nearly 8 miles per second. According to NASA, this is a little slower than average. On average, they say, an asteroid of this size passes this closely just a few times each year. Being only about 10 to 20 feet in diameter, the asteroid was not actually large enough to pose a serious threat. If it had been on a collision course, it would have likely ended up as a fireball, an extremely bright meteor, as it broke up in Earth's atmosphere. The asteroid approached Earth from the direction of the Sun and was not discovered until after it passed and could be observed in the night sky by ground-based observatories. By some estimates, however, there are hundreds of millions of small asteroids the size of 2020 QG, but they are extremely hard to discover until they get very close to our Earth. NASA carefully tracks near-Earth objects, but it's only aware of a fraction of them due to such observational limitations. Scientists at NASA are developing a telescope that could detect asteroids coming from the direction of the Sun, eliminating the current blind spot in their observations. The Near-Earth Object Surveillance Mission may launch as early as 2025. NASA is also planning to launch the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, in July of next year. DART will purposely crash into a harmless asteroid moon in the fall of 2022 in an attempt to change its motion in the first test for planetary defense. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about near-Earth asteroids and this specific one, 2020 QG, which passed by us so close that it is the closest on record, and the space agencies were not aware of it until hours after it had already passed. What if it was faster? What if it was on a collision with our Earth? Many may ask, and many may say, we need more advanced technological equipment to observe these near-Earth objects and other asteroids that may be coming close to our planet. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Share the content. Thanks for watching.